there. I know this isn't a travel video, but since this is where I will be editing all of those travel videos from now on, I decided to show the construction of the custom desk I built for our office. I do hope you enjoy this quick video.
Here's where we're starting. A nice little workshop. Let's see what we can do here for the office.
And I don't know if you can tell from this, but this is all
Two-side finished plywood.
simple Craig pocket hole jig to make those with that.
There's your basic carcass, all done. All right, and here we have the completed boxes. This is with all the Salice drawer glides and sides and baseboards that will be going on.
All right, and this is just me showing some of the cuts that I've been doing to do the stiles and rails and stuff for the drawer fronts. Here's kind of the style cuts that I was doing to make this kind of a little bit more of a modern look. And at the end of this here, you're actually gonna see where I do a fitment of where the stiles and rails go together after doing all the dado cuts on these pieces. And this part here is me showing kind of what the drawer fitment process is looking like. We got the drawers in and I'm just getting the drawer fronts all fitted here and kind of how it comes out.
And this is post edge banding.
Alright, and here we go with what we're replacing, because this just kind of gotta go. This is the initial install with the first half of the butcher block and the power outlets that are going to be on the top and the through hole for any wires that go below the desk. Showing kind of where the wires are going to run through from side to side. This is the completed fit out of the butcher block with all the power and holes running through the sides and power running through the top and any additional wiring from side to side that's run underneath as well. This here is post putting the drawer pulls on, getting the keyboard trays in, and starting with the first of the 3 bookshelves that are going to be up on top of this. And here is a mostly completed work with all of the bookshelves in place, the beadboard that's going up the whole back of the wall as an accent for the whole desk. And then here we go with the final completed look for this, with the top already mounted and in place, and everything finished and painted, including those keyboard pullouts. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making this desk, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.